तो बायोकेमिस्ट्री के लास्ट क्लास में हम लोगों ने माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के बारे में पढ़ा था। अब हम बात करेंगे एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम के बारे में। तो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम क्या है? ये ऑर्गेनल है। जैसा कि अब सेल के अंदर हमने माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया पढ़ा, उसी के अंदर एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम। तो ये देखेंगे क्या है एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम क्या है। द नेटवर्क ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन। Okay, the network of membrane enclosed spaces that extended throughout the cytoplasm constitutes endoplasmic reticulum. इसका शॉर्ट नाम है, सॉरी, its short name is ER. Okay. Some of these thread-like structure extended from the nuclear pores to the plasma membrane. So it is extended from nuclear pores. Already you know that nuclear pores it's connected with plasma membrane. Okay, a large portion of ER is studded with ribosome to give a granular appearance, which is referred by rough endoplasmic reticulum. So in that we have two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is a rough endoplasmic reticulum, and one is uh, s- and another one is we will discuss later here. But here endoplasmic reticulum, which is rough, it means there is a granules are there. You can see that this is the here we have the endoplasmic reticulum. So if there is granules, we will call rough endoplasmic reticulum. There is no granules, so we'll call smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. So this is the difference we have to remember. So what is the function? During the process of cell fractionation, enough ER is distributed to form small vesicles known as microsomes. So whenever cell division will happen, what will happen? It will convert into microsomes. Okay, vesicles like structures. Okay, those the smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not contain ribosomes, so it doesn't have ribosomes. Okay, it have ribosomes. Okay, it is involved in synthesis of lipid. So whatever the function of lipids, so it will involve. Okay, involvement of smooth endoplasmic reticulum will happen, like uh, triglycerols, phospholipids, drug metabolism. Okay, calcium supplying, so everything will seen by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so this is an important organelle in our cell. Next is Golgi apparatus. So Golgi apparatus, it is also an organelle. Okay, what Golgi apparatus do? So basically Golgi apparatus, it will uh, whatever newly synthesized proteins which is coming from the nucleus, it is hand over to the Golgi apparatus. Okay, Golgi apparatus. What it will do? It will add catalyze. Okay, it will add like carbohydrates, like lipids. Okay, or any other things to those newly proteins. Okay, so this is the chemical modification. Okay, factory. What we call Golgi apparatus is a chemical modification factory. Okay, so this is the important thing we have to remember. Golgi apparatus is also involved in membrane synthesis. So whenever new membrane to be synthesized, okay, Golgi apparatus directly involved. So here, what is the we can see the picture of Golgi apparatus here. Yeah, you can see that this is the Golgi apparatus here. Okay, so what it will do, it will bring the proteins, whatever bring coming the proteins, so it will resynthesize, means it will add carbohydrates, lipids. Okay, and it will grow, it will strong those proteins. Next we have lysosome. What lysosome will do? Lysosome are nothing but whatever debris are there, whatever dead cells are there. Okay, so what it will digest those things. Okay, like proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, nucleic acid, whatever extra things. which are not helpful for the cell. Okay, it will, what it will do? It will digest those things. It will it will bring those things in a new form. This is the function of lysosome. So lysosomes, what we have to know that it is the pH level. We have to remember that. Okay, the pH level of lysosomes is more acidic. Okay, because to degenerate those chemicals. Okay, so the dynamic state. Okay, whatever recycling will happen due to the lysosome. This is the very important organelle. Next is perioxysomes. So every or cell, these organs are present. Okay, these organelles are present. So what they do, they will do their function. Then only the natural environment which is present in the cell will happen. Okay, so this is the thing we have to remember. Next is we talked about two things: Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, and lysosome. So everything have their specific function, like endoplasmic reticulum. What they do? They are connected with the direct nucleus. Okay, they are whatever whenever the cell division happens, they will store those organelles in the form of vesicles. In the vesicles. Okay. Next, as well as synthesize of other substance which is coming from the outside, like lipids, steroids, or medicine. Okay, calcium, everything will seen by endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, all you know that whatever protein is coming from the DNA or nucleus, it will add up those important chemical things. Next, lysosomes, it will eat the debris. Next is digest those debris. Perioxysome. Perioxysome is also known as microbodies. Okay, they are special or oval shape and contains enzyme catalase. Hydrolase is here and catalase is here. Okay, catalase protects the cell from the toxic gases of H2O2 by converting into H2O and O2. Okay, what peroxisome is doing? Peroxisome doing whenever any reaction will happen, their H2O2 production will happen in the cell. Okay. So what peroxisome do? Peroxisome those convert H2O2 into H2O plus O2, oxygen. Okay, this is the very important function of peroxisome. Okay, next we have cytosol and cytoskeleton. The cytosol and cytoskeleton function is very important. They will maintain the structure of the cell, compartment level, like they are pillars. Okay, they are pillars. Okay, network, whatever network where the situation of nucleus will be happen and where the situation of DNA will happen. So it will see the structure of uh, cell. Okay, so this is very important. Here you can show structure, shape, and organization of a cell. Okay, this is all about whatever the organelles are present in the cell. Very important. Integration of cellular function. The eukaryotic cell perform a wide range of complex reaction because they have nucleus. Okay, you have to remember, like division of cell and growth of the cell and function of the cell. This will depend upon the eukaryotic cell. And there is one term that is apoptosis. Apoptosis means cell death. So there is a expiry date for every cell. Okay, there is a natural cell death. What do we call natural cell death? Okay, one death is due to the injury, due to the any type of toxicity, due to the any type of disease. But there is a one program in our body. This apoptosis means natural death of the cell. It will happen. Lakhs of thousands of cells will damage and they will die. What will happen? The debris will present in our body will remove by our neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, all these phils and lymphocytes, monocytes. They will do those things to remove the apoptosis from the body, natural death of cell. Okay, so this is very important thing. So here we have the summary. You can go through the summary. This will give you a short remembrance of the introduction part of biochemistry. So we talked about cell, okay, and different types of cell, organelles, okay, nucleus, everything we discussed in detail. So another topic is the carbohydrates. We'll start from tomorrow. Okay, everything we'll discuss in detail. So if anyone have any doubts, can you ask?